It's me again, Piggy.
And I'm Pinky.
And you're watching Piggy, 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 Piggy Plus. What? Anyway.
Ah!
What?
Over there.
Where?
Over there.
Whoa! It's the box again. Let's look inside. What? Clay again? Huh? Ooh! But there are 2 boxes of clay. An angel and a prince and a princess. Let's say it together. Prince. 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 And a princess. Prince. Princess. And an angel. Angel. Great! Wait, so you mean we can make these out of clay? Great! Inside the box, there were some tools, some clay, and, the instructions. This will help us make the prince, the princess, and the angel. Great! Now let's get to work. Great! Now let's start. What? This is so hard. Pinky, do you want to try?
Piece of cake.
Wow, Pinky! It's a princess.
Let's have story time.
Oh, okay. Once upon a time, there lived a princess. She was so beautiful. She had dresses in different colors. What color is this?
It's yellow.
That's right, Pinky. This is a yellow dress. And she also had another dress. La 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 la. Ooh! What color is this? Is this a green dress?
It's red.
Okay, Pinky, it's not a green dress. It's a red dress. That's right. Good. But there was one thing about the princess. She was lonely. Aww. But there also lived, dun 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 dun, a prince. He was handsome. He also had clothes in different colors. What color is this? It's blue. And he also had, la 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 la. He also had He also had another set of clothes. La 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 la. La 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 la. What color is this? Is this blue?
It's red.
Oh, yeah, Pinky, that's right. It's not blue. This is color red. But there was one thing about the prince. He was lonely. But one day, an angel came down from the sky. And what color is this again?
It's white.
That's That's right. Its color white. It was an angel in white. And she saw that the prince and the princess were lonely. So she made a white way for the prince and the princess to meet. So the prince and the princess started to walk towards each other. 어머머머머, 사랑에 빠지는 건가? And they got closer and closer and closer.
They kiss.
Ew, yucky! But they lived happily ever after. Did you like this video?
부럽지?
I'm lonely too. But anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.
구독과 좋아요를 눌러주세요.